Hello, Mental Health Matters, children, family, and adults. Today, I'm going to do two wonderful crafts. So the first one is called a foam board flower. You guys might not have foam, but what you need is a simple piece of foam board, a sharpie, which is your magic tool, and a red tool cup, which I'm going to use for the outline. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the red solo cup onto our template, and we are going to make this into our happy flower. So what you want to do is draw a huge circle with your black magic marker. Remember, it's our magic tool. Around your red solo cup. Just make the flower middle. Or if you guys want, you guys can be artistic. And then we are going to do roughly 5 smaller circles using half the cup. Just so then we can do little petals. And then after, I'm going to try and paint these in, because who doesn't love art? And we could do a parade of, change our idea. We're going to do a parade of sunshine, because I love sun. Who else doesn't love sun? So what I will do is show you guys an example once my cup is done. Also, we are going to do up a dream journal today, so that we can get started on what our dreams are. Maybe you guys want to travel the world, go on an adventure, etc. Maybe you guys just want to vent about something that makes you guys positive, which I've learned in my work training, so I can probably do it. Okay. So this is my wonderful flower. I'm sorry, that is only 4 things. So now we are going to branch out. We're going to connect these all together, and then later on we will paint them. So what we're going to do is we are going to still use our wonderful crazy tool called the Sharpie and still make up a hole using that. Just because I love flowers and you guys might not. So now that our flower is complete, our wonderful thought bubble actually, we are going to do up the bottom parts and make it look amazing. So what we are going to do is we are going to go from our last circle down to the very bottom and make up some really fantastic little leaves because it is summer. So this is my flower craft. If you guys want to, you guys can do the same example. Maybe you guys want to show in some sun. So you can draw a little cute sunshine with a smiley face because it is happy summer. And Adams and rays, remember, sunshine and rainbows do go together. And I will be painting this in after so you guys can get a glimpse. So maybe your first thought bubble, let's say this is your dream book. What do you guys want to put in? My first one would be adventure, which we will go over that later because I just got taught on it. So what I want you guys to do is make up your happy, emotional flower, no matter if it's on construction paper, and share with us. We love to see art, and actually last week was art week, so I decided to do some of my cool paintings. And maybe you guys have an inspirational quote. I was just thinking, you know what? Every day is the same. Every day is different, so we can write that down. Every day will be the way you make it. So maybe we want to, so I wrote down every day will be the way you make it be. So this is our cool craft from myself. So share what you guys want to do. I will post a video shortly. I just have to grab my dream book notes about which ones come first. And we will go over some examples. Obviously, it doesn't have to be 10, but it is a cool activity that I learned. And I learned how to get to know people. Maybe you guys want to write down some of the cool dreams. Thank you. And have a great day. Also, remember, next week we are going to go over the social issues that are happening right now. Maybe you guys have anxiety like myself. But you know what? Art therapy is the best therapy ever. So remember, this is your dream flower. Your flower that makes you happy.